These could as easily be the apartments that much of the so-called advanced, modern, urban populace lives in. In fact, these pigeons are a shade luckier, as they can fly out into the open when they so desire. Many of us too often want to fly away from the crowded, compact existences into the vast openness, but have no such place to go to. Finally, this is about to change. Now you can own your own openness, your gateway just 24 kilometers from Nagpur, or just about a half-hour drive away. Jagdamba Pride, your second home, which sure is going to be the first by choice. Jagdamba Pride is pristine purity at its most serene. Spread over hundreds of sprawling acres of verdant greenery lies this picturesque project, surrounded by forests and a shimmering lake. Large tracts of bamboo and teak plantations have been developed to add to its appeal. On this paradise, over 850 plots ranging from 1600 square feet to 6000 square feet have been developed, of which only 400 are being made available in the first phase. But these are not just mere ordinary plots. The entire area is being developed in an integrated manner with clear boundaries, complete electrification, water supply, internal roads with high mast lights, so that none of these amenities have to be created by the owners, but every little detail is provided for in advance. The company has already commenced work on developing the 6-kilometer-long permanent tar road from Wardha Road to the project on its own. For those who want to go beyond a simple plot, there are over 30 options of aesthetically designed bungalows on the offer. To ensure that you get finest in aesthetics and functionality, the Jagdamba Group has offered the most renowned architects of the country, as well as from the city, to design these as model architecture, with the incentive that bungalows designed by them will be named after them. You can choose your design and either build it yourself or we shall build it for you to the finest specifications. Work has already commenced with plinth level construction complete on the first set of bungalows. If you thought this was all, there's more to delight you. An international scale premium club and recreational facility is being developed on a large tract of land along with. It shall offer truly global facilities with indoor temperature-controlled swimming pool, squash, snooker, tennis, health club, spa, meditation center, virtually everything you could think of to make it a lifelong vacation for you. Now for the icing on the cake. This second home is not just luxury indulgence but an extremely sound investment proposition. The company offers to purchase the bungalows or the plots after 5 years for those wanting to reap returns on their investment. You can truly have the best of both worlds. Enjoy the facility for 5 years and then decide either to retain it or sell it for a massive profit. One look at the location and even the strongest of the skeptics will be convinced about its immense potential. Promoted by Jagdamba Group, the most respected name in the realty sector in central India. It has not only built quality projects like Midas Heights, Hare Krishna Enclave, Nicholas Towers, Sri Krishnam Apartments, Platina Enclave, etc., but also boasts of probably the largest land bank, the pioneer in this sector, credited with bringing blue-chip corporates to Nagpur. It was the Jagdamba Group that provided land for the 600-acre Mehta's project, the Sun and Sand Hotel, as well as the Fire Arca Group project, Nagpur's first FDI-funded project. It is in the vicinity of these and other landmark developments that Jagdamba Pride is located. Only 6 kilometers from main Wardha Road and just 14 kilometers from one of the biggest developments, Mihan, or the multimodal international hub airport, Nagpur. It is one of those very rare occasions in life when you can have your cake and eat it too. Spend precious moments with your family and friends in the lap of nature while the property appreciates exponentially. After all, that which makes life worth living can now increase your net worth too.